In just a couple of minutes, we're gonna make 5 amazing paper crafts!
Wow! What could these crafts be?
Oh, you're curious! I'll give you a little hint. Who knows those yellow little guys?
We love you, Sammy!
Huh? What's this construction? Sammy, what did you build here? Let's peek inside.
Are you ready for the moment of truth?
Sammy, it's time to get out of there. It's dinner time.
Did someone say dinner? Sorry, I gotta go! Sue, you're just on time! Our viewers can't wait to see our first craft! Let's get to work!
Wait, Sammy, what viewers? What craft? You have to tell me everything.
I can't believe you didn't guess! Our first craft is a minion!
That's a great idea. I really like minions.
Who doesn't like them? Hello! Pupaye, pupaye, banana! Plus, the yellow color makes me feel happy.
Actually, this yellow paper is perfect for our craft. I'll cut out the body first. Gotta be careful with scissors. Minions are kinda egg-shaped, so it's not hard to cut them out.
Sue, when are we going to color our minion? I'm totally ready. See? I have everything we need.
Wait, Sammy, before coloring them, we need to do something else. This piece goes here. We don't want a flat minion, right? We'll make it 3D. Plus, I have another surprise for you. It's painting time. I need your help, Sammy.
I've been waiting for ages. Let's do it together, Sue. High five. Good luck.
I like how mischievous this minion looks. The first expression is, ready, let's move on.
No way! You're going too fast! Give it to me, Sue! I want to help too! That's not fair! We agreed we'd do it together! I have a great idea for the next expression. I think this minion is kinda shocked, right? That's what Sue will look like when she sees what I made. All done!
Wow, Sammy, you outdid yourself. Great job!
I can't believe these overalls fit me! Am I a minion now? But I like pink more than yellow.
I don't know about you, but this guy is a minion. And the arms, all done.
Woohoo! Our first craft is ready!
Let me show everything it can do. Upset.
That's it?
Funny. Happy.
Ta-da!
Shocked.
Never hide your emotions, guys! Show them freely, just like this minion!
And like you, Sammy.
What?
It's time to make the next craft, Sammy.
Sue, watch this! Get this! Sue, we're late! We already have to start on our next craft! Sue, where are you? Ah! Monster! It's a monster!
Sammy, it's just me. But a monster is a great idea for our next craft. What do you say?
I say yes, but don't scare me like that again. Next time, I'll be ready, thanks to my creation! No, it's mine! It protects me from being scared! Ouch!
Let's turn it into a monster.
Sue, what's going on? What's that on me? Huh? Do you really need that?
Sure, this stuffing is perfect for our craft. I'll just spread it all over this brown piece, but that's not the final look. We need more stuffing or our monster won't be squishy. Now it's time for Sam's favorite color. Here we go. The monster is nice and soft. But wait, this craft is far from finished. These are gonna be the monster's lips. Here they go. It needs the eyes, too. Shall we make 2?
Better 3.
Wait, how about 4? Or even 5?
Ladies and gentlemen, now my friend will try to guess what our monster is missing.
Maybe ears?
Ears?
You know, it would be nice if it could hear us.
Yes! You're absolutely
What, really? I knew it! This monster needs ears.
Sue, we know what this monster's missing! Ears!
Right! Then we'll give it a pair of cute little ears. Ta-da! This is the cutest monster I've ever seen! But it's not just a lovely monster. Look! Let's upgrade it and turn this monster into a tissue holder.
Sue, you forgot about a super important thing! Voila! After all, it's a tissue holder, not a toy.
Thanks, Sammy. These tissues will go right here. Now, watch this. Magic will happen in 3, 2, 1.
That's so cool! Ow, Sue!
Do you need another tissue, Sue? One more? Is our tissue holder cool, friends? Then like this video.
All right, 2 crafts are done. Now the coolest ones.
Now, for our next super craft, we'll need some plastic wrap. Here it is, and…
Sue, we need… Ouch!
Was it Sammy? What have I done? Sammy! Oh no, I'm so sorry. How do you feel?
I get it. You're super excited about our next craft. But be careful, please. Phew! I must tell you, it wasn't a very pleasant experience.
It won't happen again, Sammy. And now, it's craft time. First, we'll cover it with double-sided tape. This process is so satisfying. We need to attach this paw in the middle. This amazing slime is also part of the craft. Look how nice and stretchy it is. We need to put the pieces on one by one to cover the whole paw. They melt a bit and stick together nicely. We're almost done! Now we'll cover it all with a piece of plastic wrap. And one more paw goes over the one we made. What a cool toy we got! How about testing it out?
Wow, that's so cool! Everyone needs to see it!
Not so fast! I want to play with it first. Whoa, it feels so nice! Relaxing and satisfying. We did great!
Are you done here, Sue? It's my turn to show it off! Sue, I have an idea for the next craft! Let it be roomy, please! Look at how pretty she is!
No problem, Sammy. I like roomy too. But first, let's switch our background to purple.
Holy cannoli! These are Rumi's colors! What exactly are we going to do?
We need 3 types of paper strips. 1 with 12, 2 with 7, and 27 with 6 squares.
1, 2, and… wait, what? 27? Sue, where am I supposed to get so much paper?
Good luck, Sammy. Ha
Don't worry, Sammy. I've already got all the materials ready. Just sit back and watch. Almost there. Give me just a second. All done.
Do you want to say that Rumi is gonna be a cube?
Sammy, good joke. Just watch what I'm doing. You're in for a surprise. We should gather all the cubes together. And this is the result. Voila! Cool, right?
So, your craft is dancing. Cool! But where's Rumi?
But Sammy, I need a few references.
No problem. You should have told me earlier.
This reference will work perfectly. Just don't move.
That's it, Sue. It's time for Sam's coloring powers.
Wow, Sammy, great job! Now we can finally play with Rumi! It's like a Rumi-themed Rubik's Cube! That's so much fun!
We've already made 7. No, 8. Sue, how many crafts did we make?
Sammy, it's just 4 crafts.
Oops! Let's make a memory booster for me.
I know just the thing. It'll be our next craft.
Really?
What if we turn these stickers into a burger? They'll be much more fun.
Yes, that's what? A burger? Awesome! Look, we can use this thingy to shape our burger to make sure the size is just right.
Let's see how it works. It's pretty amazing. Our burger's gonna rock.
Shiver me cheddars, I'm getting hungry.
Then help me with this. Turn this sticker into a bun.
I'm on it. Put on your safety glasses, guys. Woohoo! Even better than I expected. Follow me, Mr. Burger Bun. Ugh, it's hot. Gotta carry it very carefully. Almost there. Yay! And it's done, Sue. Sue, now it's your turn. We need sesame.
Yes, Chef. Do we have enough? I think so. Well, Sammy, what do you think? Yummy enough?
It looks amazing, but I know it's not edible. It's just paper. I'm not going to taste it.
But Sammy, I made this burger specially for you.
Wow, we made so many awesome crafts today. Let's count them.
Right, all together, guys.
Yay! Well, friends, let's welcome our crafts with a big round of applause.
Don't forget to like this video, friends.
Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss our new episodes. Bye, everyone.